Hey guys, okay, it's the last list of the week. We've got to look at our words from Monday here and see which word from Monday's list means not good or depressing. And that would be dismal. Dis meaning, dis and mal, both bad, just meaning bad, not good, mal, bad. Okay, write the plural noun. Sloths are tree-dwelling residents. Regular plural noun. It just gets an S added to the end of it. Finish the table for future tense. They sleep. The simple would be they will sleep. And then remember, the perfect future tense seems to combine future tense and past tense. So it's they will have, and then we throw in the past tense there, slept. So for example, I might say, after tonight, they will have slept a total of 5 hours in 2 days. So that's will have slept. Is this simple, compound, or complex? When sloths don't move, comma, algae can grow on their fur. It's not simple. I see a comma, but I don't see a conjunction, so it's not compound. Let me check to see if it's complex. When sloths don't move. By itself, that is not a complete sentence. When sloths just don't move, what? So this, again, is dependent on the rest of the sentence to make it work. So it's a dependent clause. Again, as a dependent, you depend on something else or somebody else. So in this case, it depends on the rest of this to complete the thought. Because by itself, this stands alone. Algae can grow on their fur. Yes, it can. This is a sentence by itself. So when sloths don't move, algae can grow on their fur. Dependent, independent, therefore entirely complex. Correct the sentence. Sloths use their claws to protect themselves. First of all sentences get a capital first letter, so it should be a capital S. L-O-T-H-S, sloths use. That's the wrong there. These are claws that belong to them, so it's T-H-E-I-R. Their claws to protect themselves. And remember that it is spelled correctly, even though the singular is self. Because it ends in an F, we would change that to VES, themselves, and we have a stop sign at the end of every sentence to tell us that our sentence is complete, and that is a period here. Highlight clues from yesterday's question that help you determine the meaning of apparatus. Well, it essentially just tells you this device was called a thermometer, so that tells us it's a device. And write a sentence using a word with the root log. A prologue is a part of the story that provides background for the main novel. So, a prologue are the words before the story. So oftentimes it gives you some background information to help you better understand the story or where things are when the story opens. There's also something called an epilogue, which are words written after the story that provide you with information that occurs after the story ends. So prologue, epilogue, both use the LOG root word log, which means word or words. Okay, guys, don't forget that tomorrow you do have a weekly language review quiz as part of your normal Friday gig. See you then.